2019 Keystone Cougar 25 RAS, one of the best selling fifth wheels in the country, both floor plan and brand, and you can certainly see why. This has two slide outs, an outside kitchen, really great size for towing and for getting into state and national parks. We bought this fifth wheel from a couple that was done RVing, but they looks like they took awesome care of it. Here's your outside cooktop. There's a fridge out there as well. Interior and exterior both in excellent condition. I would recommend getting a new set of tires. Other than that, you should be ready to camp. Roof ladder, outside shower. There is a tow hitch, so if you're in Wisconsin, you have a small boat. Several states allow that, and this is the perfect size to do that with. All right, you have a nice enclosed water system. You have a battery disconnect, outside shower. Your tank valves are up and insulated. There's your weight sticker. So gross vehicle weight of 10,000. I'll post the dry weight on the video. There are lights in that front cap. Front cap's still in excellent condition. All right, we'll check out the inside of this 2019 Cougar. So I really like they do those big drawers to the left of the door. So many brands neglect that area, but that's a huge spot for pots and pans and big items. I did want to show it has a grab handle, does have the flip up step. I can't remember what first year they had, but this would be one of the early years. All right, so nice roomy dinette. You have the theater seat. The great view of the TV, all these windows, and TV would be on a swing arm as well. All right, looks like you do have a gas electric fridge, so if you're doing some dry camping, that's nice to run it off the propane. Big counter space with the sink cover, the high-rise faucet, your little extra added coat hooks. All right, and here's your hallway. Keystone does a nice job of framing up these doors. Actually, the customer added a little kind of accordion door to make it easier to get in and out of the bathroom. Big roomy shower with the glass door upgrade. All right, and then in the bedroom, really nice ceiling height, and then it's a walk-around queen bed. Looks like there's outlets and nightstands on both sides of the bed. You have a wardrobe slide, which is excellent. Clothing is always tough in an RV, where to put it. TV in the bedroom, so a lot of upgrades by the previous owner that you don't have to pay for. All right, so again, 2019 Keystone Cougar.